What's up, everyone? This is Thomas Donahue from the Driver's Apex. Today, I'm headed to Chandler, Arizona. Got to take my drive shaft, get it rebalanced. That sounds kind of weird, actually. But no, in all honesty, I need to get this drive shaft rebalanced. It's right here. All of us think that it's the drive shaft. Something's out of whack, so we're going to double check, make sure everything is good to go on the drive shaft. They're going to put it on the machine. They're going to let me watch, so hopefully we can get some video and show you what it looks like to get a drive shaft balance. So here we go. So how often do you see this, walking with a drive shaft in your community? It's a little heavy. I'm actually getting a little tired. So my buddy's driving. I'll be in the passenger seat today. So I might vlog a little bit from the passenger seat. But yeah, this is actually the guy that 4x4'd his Challenger up to a 9,100 foot mountain. So he's a cool guy. But yeah, drive shaft in hand in the development. All right, so we're getting the drive shaft done, right? We're gonna rebalance it. So I'm here at Beyer Motor Works. Super excited to see how this works. So I'm gonna flip the camera around. You know, I used to be like camera shy, and then when I started my channel, you get so used to being in front of the camera, and it's like, it doesn't even matter anymore. But I'm a high school counselor, so I can't really be shy. Like, be speaking in front of like 1,200 people. We're gonna work on just checking the balance. Yeah, from like 50 up past, so at like 80 or so, it gets really bad. 80 is probably like 3,500 to 4,000. How do you know where to put the weight?
So there's a bunch of numbers as you spin it around. So there will be a number that will pop up as the dial indicator goes in.
Interesting.
And it basically flashes the number at where you have a high spot. So wherever on here that it's flashing a number, you take a weight to or you take heat to, depending on what it needs.
Sure.
And,
nice. Because I was looking and I was like, well, it's not like you can touch it, so it's got to like...
Yeah, I would not recommend touching it.
Somehow you've got to be able to tell. And then how do you know what size weight to put on it? Or does it matter?
Due to the feel. You see me touching each end.
Okay.
That's me seeing how much I feel out of balance. And we go based off of that.
So it's just something you learn over time, like by feel?
Yeah,
all right.
You can use a dial indicator and it'll tell you how out of round it is
Sure.
and where your high spot's at. But I mean, you feel it in your car, right? So you're gonna feel it if you put your hand on it and you
Right.
touch it on it as well.
Well, this is good. This what you're telling me, because I was like, I was thinking I was going crazy with the vibration.
That feels a lot better.
Good. Hey, I like hearing that. Alright, I've got the welder. Gonna weld some weights on here.
Yeah, just wanted to make sure that, because when you move weight around on a certain side,
Yeah.
it affects everything else, so make sure everything's good.
Yeah, they're like quadruple checking here. Like they're moving weights and definitely taking their time. So I definitely appreciate the time they're spending. Most people would just stick the weight on, say it's close enough, and then send it. But these guys here are
If
definitely.
you're ripping on this car, you need to make sure that the safe part is dry.
I hope you enjoyed this video. It was pretty fun shooting it, talking with everyone at the Driveshaft shop. I learned a lot about how the Driveshaft balancing works, stuff like that. It was really neat to see. Found out that one of the weights was on the wrong side of the Driveshaft and it was the wrong weight. So that would definitely explain my vibration at 50 plus miles per hour, why I was getting that horrible vibration in the rear. Super happy and thankful that the shop spent a lot of time balancing the drive shaft, making sure it was 100% or as much as possible before I put it back in the car. So I hope you like this video again. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, as always, put those comments in the comment section, and I will see you next time.